Wagwan wadau, mafans bado mpo? I hope mko poa. So leo nimewaletea hii 415 liters double door fridge ya Avon. Inakaa hivi, a very slick design. Iko na 10 years warranty on the compressor. Iko na hii touch control panel on the outside whereby you can regulate the temperature either of the fridge or the freezer. Iko na the power cool, alafu iko na child lock. You turn on your child lock by long pressing your finger for 3 seconds. Hii mpaka inakuja na 3-star energy rating, kumaanisha haitumii moto mingi at all. Wacha tuone ndani. Hivi ndo inakaa on the inside. It is very wide. Iko na the 2 sections, the upper one and the down one. Here juu ndo the freezer na here chini ndo the fridge. Iko na no frost cooling technology as you can see. Inakuja na humidity control pale chini ya vitu kama nyanya, vitunguu, matunda, kabeji, sukuma and all. Iko na very wide cringes from top to below down here, and then it has a very wide compartment sitting on the inside. Iko na hii LED lighting on the inside ya kukusaidia uone vizuri. Fridge yetu inakaa hivyo. Inakuja na the egg trays na ice cube tray. Halafu hii fridge ndo ujue it is designed to love. It only goes for 79,000 Kenyan shillings only, and you can get it only at Atenza Home Appliances, where home is simplified. You can shop with us on our website. We go by www.atenzahomeappliances.co.ke, or you can visit our physical store located the former Nakumatt Lifestyle, which is currently Naivas Lifestyle, Mezzanine 1, shop number 2.